Welcome to a training journey designed specifically for receptionists who want to embrace the transformative power of AI. You'll discover why understanding AI is essential, how it streamlines everyday tasks, and the steps you can take to confidently integrate this technology into your daily routine. This program is tailor-made to answer all your questions, clearly explaining how AI tools can help manage appointments, organize visitor logs, and handle inquiries more efficiently. Imagine freeing up your time for the tasks that truly add value to your work and enhancing your overall productivity. Our training breaks everything down, starting with video courses that simplify AI concepts into easy-to-understand ideas. From grasping the basics of generative AI to mastering tools like ChatGPT, you gain clear, direct knowledge that fits right into your role. Next, you learn how to optimize your schedule and communications with specially designed prompt courses. With hands-on experience using cutting-edge tools such as virtual assistants and smart email responders, you are empowered to carry out daily tasks seamlessly. Each module is continually updated to bring the most current insights, techniques, and strategies into your skill set. And for those looking to boost their resume, most courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Your commitment to continuous learning is rewarded as you evolve into an indispensable asset at your workplace. Start today by exploring the AI for Receptionists training courses available on CompleteAItraining.com and take the next step to elevate your career.